Microgreens fresh food fast. These tiny greens are a powerhouse of nutrition and can be grown right in your home. Want fresh food at home? Grow microgreens. They are incredibly easy to start. Just sprinkle the seeds in soil, water them, and watch them grow. Microgreens are small, but mighty. Despite their size, they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are packed with flavor. Add them to your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies for a nutritious boost. They are easy to grow. With just a little care, you can have a fresh supply of greens in no time. You can enjoy them in just 1 week. From seed to plate, it's a quick and rewarding process. Microgreens are great for small spaces. Even if you live in an apartment, you can grow them on a windowsill or countertop. You can grow them indoors all year round. No garden? No problem. They thrive in any season, making them perfect for urban living. A sunny window is all you need. With just a bit of sunlight, your microgreens will flourish, providing you with fresh, healthy food anytime. Super greens, mini size. What are microgreens? They are tiny versions of vegetables and herbs. These little greens are packed with flavor and nutrition, making them a popular choice for health-conscious individuals and gourmet chefs alike. They are harvested just after the first leaves grow. This early stage of growth is when the plants are most nutrient-dense, offering a concentrated burst of vitamins and minerals. Don't let their size fool you. Microgreens are full of vitamins and minerals. In fact, studies have shown that they can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature counterparts. They can have up to 40 times more nutrients than mature plants. Add them to salads, sandwiches, and soups for a healthy boost. These tiny greens are not only nutritious but also versatile. And soups for a healthy boost. You can sprinkle them on top of your favorite dishes, blend them into smoothies, or even use them as a garnish to add a pop of color and flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, microgreens are an easy and delicious way to enhance your meals. Get growing what you need. Ready to grow your own microgreens? Here's what you'll need. Seeds. Choose your favorites. Try broccoli, radish, or sunflower. Growing tray. A shallow tray with drainage holes works best. Growing medium, use soil or a soilless mix. Spray bottle for watering your tiny greens. Sunny spot, a windowsill is perfect. Section 4, Green Thumb Time, Planting Your Microgreens. Let's get planting. Follow these easy steps. First, fill your tray with growing medium. Don't overfill it. Next, sprinkle seeds evenly over the surface. Then, mist the seeds with water. Keep them moist. Finally, place the tray in a sunny spot. Section 5. 7 days to salad, harvesting your bounty. Watch your microgreens grow. It's truly a fascinating process to witness. From the moment you plant the seeds, you can almost see them reaching for the light, eager to become a part of your next meal. In just a few days, they'll sprout. Keep the soil moist. This is crucial for their growth. The tiny seeds need a consistent level of moisture to germinate properly. Make sure to mist the soil lightly but regularly, ensuring it never dries out completely. In about 7 days, they'll be ready to harvest. You'll notice the vibrant green color and the delicate leaves. This is the perfect time to pick them, as they are packed with nutrients and flavor. Use scissors to snip the greens just above the soil. Rinse them before eating. This ensures that any residual soil or particles are washed away, leaving you with clean, fresh microgreens ready to be added to your dishes. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown microgreens. Try different varieties. Experiment with flavors. Each type of microgreen offers a unique taste and texture, from the peppery bite of radish greens to the mild sweetness of pea shoots. Growing microgreens is fun and rewarding. It's a simple way to bring a bit of nature into your home and enjoy the fruits of your labor in just a week. Plus, it's a great activity for all ages, making it a perfect family project.